What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on the LG Stylo 6. Stay tuned. Alright, hope everyone's having a great day. We're going to go ahead and get started with this video. Now, the first trick I'm going to be showing you is the app info, and we're going to go ahead and open up our recent tabs right here with the gesture. And as you guys see, we have the titles of each application we're using above the application, and a lot of people don't actually know this, but you can go ahead and click on that little icon and it gives you a lot of info. It gives you the multi-window pop-up option, it gives you the pop-up window option, and it offers you to pin the application so that it is locked and you don't clear it when you clear the rest of the applications out. So I feel like this is a very useful feature to go ahead and use, especially when you're using a phone with the stylus and you want to multitask when you go ahead and click another application right here. And as you guys see, we have a multitasking feature and function right now, and it works very well. So go ahead and check out the app info tab above the application. Go ahead and do a little research on that, because I definitely feel like a lot of people's productivity would be way better if they knew how to utilize their certain tools in their phones. So definitely go ahead and check this out. Next thing we're going to be talking about is the navigation bar and how to change the navigation bar, because a lot of people don't actually like the gestures. They may like the old, triangle, square, and circle to go ahead and use those navigation buttons. So we're going to go ahead and type up navigation buttons or navigation bar, and you can actually go ahead and click to use buttons only or gestures. Honestly, I like buttons better. A lot of people like buttons better as well. I feel like the old school crowd is going to like this a lot more. It's very easy to follow. But if you want to use gestures, you can go ahead and do that. And also, you can actually go ahead and switch up the button combination if you'd like. As you guys can see, you can also add other things such as notification or a screenshot to the navigation bar. And I'll definitely go ahead and try this out if you guys haven't yet. But it's very easy to go ahead and take a screenshot, especially if you take a ton of screenshots. That's definitely a good tool to have. And if you just want gestures, you can actually change the gesture sensitivity as well as a gesture guide on how to actually utilize these gestures. So you can go ahead and go through that and learn how to use it if this is something you want to use. Next up I'm going to be showing you is the one-handed mode. Now you're going to want to go to the drop down bar menu right here, go into settings, type in one-handed mode, go ahead and click on one-handed screen, and mine is on currently. Now it says to bring down the screen, drag the left or right edge to the middle of the screen and hold. So we're going to go ahead and try that one-handed navigation mode out right now. As you guys can see, we are now on it. Kind of cool. Pretty decently optimized for this phone as well. So if you guys have smaller hands, this is something I would definitely look into. And to go ahead and exit, all you have to do is tap here to go to full screen. Alright everyone, so the next tip I'm going to be showing you is the blue light filter, and this is a very essential thing to have, especially so you don't have any strain on the eyes or too much strain on the eyes. So we're going to go ahead and go back into settings, and we're going to type in comfort view or blue light. Go ahead and click on comfort view, and if you want to use it, you can actually go ahead and turn it on and put it to whatever level you want. It starts from low to high, and we can also schedule from sunset to sunrise if you guys would like to do that as well. But I feel like this is a very good thing to do for your eye health, so there's less strain on your eyes. Next feature we're going to be taking a look at is Smart Cleaner. Now this is a very useful tool in this phone. If you guys have any residual storage that you don't want to use on this phone that's taking up space, definitely go ahead and delete that, because we do not have adoptable storage on this device. And to go ahead and do that, we're going to go into settings and we're going to type in Smart Cleaning. Now once you type in Smart Cleaning, you're going to go and click on Smart Cleaning right there, and all you have to do is click Optimize Phone, and it cleans up everything for you and it deletes any unnecessary files. There we go, fully optimized, internal storage 539 megabytes freed. So I would definitely go ahead and check that out. You can also test your battery usage, battery saver, and test hardware on here as well. So that's really cool. Alright everyone, so the next tip I'm going to be talking about is live caption. Now a lot of people don't actually know about this. The reason being is because it's been in this little edit tab right here, and you actually have to go ahead and find it. We also have bedtime mode in there as well, and focus mode. So if you guys want to use any of these, all you have to do is drag them down to your little essential list of applications right there. Go ahead and check that out. But we have a little description of what it does. It says live caption detects speech and media and automatically generates captions. When media is playing, this feature uses uses additional battery. All audio and captions are processed locally and never leave the device. Currently available in English only. So we're going to go ahead and click got it. So any of you guys that are Spanish speakers or anything else, they do not currently have this in any other language than English that I know of. It just said that right here. So we're going to go and test this out and see how it works. All right, everyone. So we turn live caption on. And as you guys see right here, we have a little text bubble that pops up with all of our speech inside of there, which is really, really cool. And if you want to go ahead and turn that off, all you have to do is turn it off from the drop down bar menu. Very, very useful tool. I would definitely go ahead and check that out. The next step I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be knock on for double tap. So this is going to be in these settings as well. You're going to go ahead and type in knock on. As you guys see, we have a little listing right there. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can go ahead and turn this on for double tap to go ahead and turn on and off the screen. I would definitely turn this on whether you guys are, in a workspace or at school, just to go ahead and check notifications without having to open up your phone fully. So definitely go ahead and turn that on, and you guys can actually double knock to go ahead and turn on your screen, see notifications and other things like that. Now the last tip I'm going to be talking about in this video is the pen extensions, and those are going to be in the settings as well. So we're going to go into the settings, scroll all the way down to extensions, go ahead and click on pen, and we have a few more things right here that you can unlock the capabilities of your pen with. We have screen off memo, write memos while the screen is off, which is cool. So you can go ahead and scribble on your screen to go ahead and make it a little more discreet. We also have memo preview. You can show recent memos in pen pop. We also have a drawing sound. A lot of people may think this is annoying. Some may think it's not. So go ahead and customize that to your liking, because I think this is a very, very big pet peeve for a lot of people. We also have pen detection. So this is basically like when you take out your stylus, you get a little vibration sound, and I think it's the coolest thing. So I think that's a really cool feature, and that kind of brings some sort of luxury to this device. We also have pen keeper as well. But if you guys want to go ahead and customize these settings, I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, guys, hopefully this video did help you. If it did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.